The combination of medicines with natural products is sometimes a very effective way to solve health problems. Today we want to share with you a recipe for aspirin honey, an ointment that will quickly and effectively get rid of pain in the joints and muscles. In addition, unlike analgesic pharmaceutical ointments, this remedy has additional functions. It strengthens the joints and muscles, as well as improves blood flow to the tissues of the lower extremities. Aspirin and honey. Why are these ingredients used to prepare this remedy? The answer lies in their properties. Aspirin is one of the most reliable and time-tested analgesics. It has been used for over 100 years. The ability of this drug to relieve pain in the joints is due to the effect of acetylsalicylic acid on the receptors of nerve endings in various tissues. Aspirin inhibits the formation of inflammatory mediators, so that the pain syndrome gradually disappears. It is worth noting that pain itself is a means of signaling the body that something is wrong in the body. However, by performing this task and not disappearing, pain becomes an additional irritant that weakens the body and worsens the treatment of the underlying disease. That is why the rapid relief of severe pain is an important task. Aspirin can solve it in a period of time from half an hour to 2 hours. However, aspirin, like other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, has one drawback. It is created in the form of tablets to be taken orally, which means that it has a systemic effect on the body and can cause side effects. The most dangerous of these is irritation of the gastric mucosa. In people suffering from gastritis or ulcers, this can lead to an exacerbation of these diseases. When combined with honey, aspirin tablets become topical, which is much safer. But honey is not only needed to give the ointment the necessary consistency. It is also a powerful anti-inflammatory, thanks to the trace elements contained in honey. In addition, it is an amazing bactericidal product. Most bacteria and fungi do not survive in honey, so it does not spoil or ferment. In addition to relieving inflammation and destroying infections on the surface of the skin, honey has a restorative function. The array of vitamins and minerals in this product allows it to repair skin, muscle, and joint tissue. More specifically, it nourishes the body, giving it the necessary material to build these tissues. Another important ability of honey is to warm the surfaces on which it is applied. This improves blood flow to the area around the injured joint, which helps relieve swelling. As a result, the combination of aspirin and honey allows for rapid pain relief and long-term systematic therapeutic effects on the diseased joint. How to make aspirin honey? For this ointment, you will need 10 aspirin tablets and 200 grams of honey. Do not confuse with milliliters, because honey is much heavier than water, so it should be weighed, not measured by volume. Aspirin tablets should be crushed until homogeneous. Add honey to them and mix thoroughly. Then cover with cling film and keep in a dark, warm place for 10 days. Periodically the mixture should be stirred. After 10 days it will be ready for use. Liberally rub aspirin honey on painful joints. Wrap with bandage or woolen cloth, then with plastic wrap, and put on a thick stocking or sock. Keep such a compress may last all night. At first you will feel a slight burning sensation. Do not panic, it's a normal reaction of the skin to aspirin. Such an amount of ointment is enough for about 5 sessions. The treatment course lasts up to 10 days. The contraindications to the aspirin honey are only intolerance to aspirin or allergy to honey. Have you tried such a remedy? How else do you cope with pain and inflammation in the joints?